What if I told you that the holy grail of natural skincare, coconut oil, might not be the skin savior you think it is? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when coconut oil helps your skin, and when it's actually making things worse. Don't forget to like and follow for more honest skincare insights. From kitchen shelves to beauty blogs, coconut oil is everywhere. It's praised for being antibacterial, antifungal, and deeply moisturizing. But here's the catch: coconut oil is highly comedogenic. That means it can clog your pores, especially if you have oily, acne-prone, or combination skin. It works best for dry or mature skin types that need an occlusive layer to lock in moisture, not for skin already struggling with breakouts. Using it on your face, especially overnight, can lead to blackheads, breakouts, and even fungal acne. Yikes! But don't toss it out just yet. Coconut oil can be an amazing body moisturizer, makeup remover, or hair treatment when used correctly. Use it on clean skin. Avoid it on your face if you're acne prone. Always do a patch test before going all in. So next time you reach for that jar of coconut oil, remember, skincare isn't one size fits all. Drop a comment if you've been using it the wrong way too. And follow Holistic Radiance tips for more no-nonsense beauty wisdom.